Hi, it's Rosie and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be cash stuffing my envelopes today. Let's get our cash stuffing paper out. I don't know why it's so hard to open these. It's either I have weak hands right now because of the pregnancy, or I'm just weak. Or it's just really hard. So before we start stuffing our envelopes, let's go into our wallet and see how much leftovers we have. So spending had 0, it has 0. Eating out has 0, it has 0. Groceries had 75, it has 0. Gas had 20, it has 0. No, gas had 0 because I had leftover gas money already. So it has 0. Buffer had 10, it has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this cash will be going into our savings challenges. So let's put that here. Let's put this aside. Let's write $9. Okay. And then let's start stuffing our wallet. So let's go to spending. What will be getting 0. Eating out is getting 20 this week because I will be going out to eat with my sisters. Let me get like a ugly 20. Here we go. Okay. And then groceries is getting 60. So 20, 40, 60. Gas I've already spent, so it gets nothing. Buffer is getting a 5 and then 5 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now that my wallet is done, let's go into my high priority binders, which is this one. So Elizabeth is getting $51. So that I could even out her cash. So now, I gotta go get some $100 bills. So now she has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 330, yep. Okay, maternity leave is getting 13, so 1, 2, 3, wait, okay, so 13, 10, 11, 12, 13, okay, so now maternity leave has 20, 40, 60, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Yep. Okay, car is getting 10. So now car has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 310, 320. Okay. Come on. Okay, so it has 320. So that's it for this binder. Let's go into our savings challenges. So first let's go into our scratcher. This one is getting $11. Oh, closed it. Okay, so now it has 21. Okay, then our 2026 savings. Oh, I've already colored it in, but it's getting 1.5 plus the extra 5 from our buffer money that we had left over. So 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, $66. Ooh, okay. Okay, so gotten 10. Love hearts. So love hearts. Wait, let's do the $5 challenge. Okay, $5 going into here. So let's color one of these in. Okay, so getting 5. Okay, so $2. Then I have 4 extra dollars here. So I'm gonna bump it up. Bump sweet treats to $4 this week. So let's do 2 of these. Okay, then cross this out and put 4. Okay, love hearts. Let's do, we're doing $2. Let's do 2 extra dollars. So it's getting 4 this week. Just going to quickly color these in. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay. Okay, so cross that out and put 4. And then the last dollar is going into our dollar savings challenge. Okay. So, oh, So that's going to be it for this week. Oh yes, giveaway time. So I will be, I have the hiccups. So I will be giving away my February savings challenges this week again. So if you want one of these scratchers, Cupid's gifts, sweet treats, and love hearts, just comment below. What is one of your goals for this year? What is one of your financial goals for this year? Okay. And then I will choose a winner by the time the next cash stuffing comes out. Okay.